Hello and welcome to MYK Laticrete, a company which brought innovation and quality to tile and stone installations in India. MYK Laticrete offers a wide range of groundbreaking, innovative and yet affordable products, which make tile and stone installations much more easier, efficient to install and effortless to maintain. So, let's take a quick overview of what MYK Laticrete is all about. MYK Laticrete is a joint venture between Laticrete International and the MYK Group of India. Laticrete International has been world leader in more than 100 countries for over 50 years in tile and stone installation solutions. Since the year 2000, MYK Laticrete has been instrumental in making tile and stone installations more easier and efficient with a product range of adhesives, grouts, sealers, sealants, waterproofing and wall putty. MYK Laticrete has always been the first choice for architects, builders, contractors and masons for the capability and expertise they offer in quality tile and stone installations. MYK Laticrete has two manufacturing facilities, one at Patancheru, Hyderabad and the other in Sotanala in Rajasthan. MYK Laticrete is an ISO 9001-2000 certified company. MYK Laticrete also provides extensive training to the sales staff, dealers, distributors and contractors through Passport to Success and Passport to Knowledge programs at frequent intervals. Today we are going to have a demonstration of one of the products of MYK Laticrete, the Laticrete Premium Floor and Wall Adhesive 290. Let's take a look at the product. It's a high-performance dry set adhesive, ideal for ceramic tiles, marble and stone. Has a dual use for floor and wall. Packaged in 20 kg bags. Comes in colors of grey and white. Ideal for residential, commercial and swimming pools. We have one of our experienced applicators who will now demonstrate the method of using Laticrete Premium Floor and Wall Thin Set Adhesive 290. Clean the substrate from impurities like dust, dirt, debris, oil, grease, etc. Dampen the floor surface with water before application of Laticrete 290 Thin Set Adhesive. Let's get to know the mixing procedure of Laticrete Floor and Wall Thin Set Adhesive 290. Mix 5.5 liters water with 20 kg of thin set adhesive. It is suggested that we add the powder to the water. Now adjust liquid quantity to achieve a workable consistency. Leave it to slake for 5 to 10 minutes. Apply mortar with flat side of the trowel. Comb surface with north side of the trowel. Back butter large format tiles. We suggest scale butter tiles in excess of 300 by 300 and above. Place tiles while the mortar is wet and tacky. Use a beating block to bed the tiles firmly. Use spacer while laying tiles to maintain uniform gap between tiles. Clean the surface of the tiles as work progresses. Now the floor needs at least 24 to 48 hours to set and dry before opening to traffic. Now that's what the Laticrete Premium Floor and Wall Thin Set Adhesive 290 has to offer you. Let me take you through the advantages of this product. Laticrete Floor and Wall Thin Set Adhesive 290 is smooth and very easy to use. It can make the tiles sustain impacts and shocks. It has a non-sag formula. It has supreme adhesion and high bonding strength. It can be used for floors as well as walls. I'm sure this video helped you in having a good insight about the product. For more information and literature, we urge you to visit the nearest of 12 regional offices and 300 distributors and dealers network, or call on these numbers to talk to a representative of MYK Laticrete. Also please visit
www.myklatecrete.com
to know more about our organization and the entire range of products. While we sign off, we thank each and every one for your time and patience. Goodbye.